So. So.
Used to emphasize the quantity, quality, or amount of something.
The house is so beautiful. Don't be so stupid. I didn't know she had so many children.
Used to refer to something that has just been mentioned, especially to give a short answer to a question.
I hope they stay together. I hope so too. Do you think he's upset? I don't think so. James is coming tonight, or so he said.
Used after a list of things to show that you could have added other similar things.
She plays a lot of tennis and squash and so on.
Used to say that something is the reason why something else happens.
I was tired so I went to bed. Greg had some money so he bought a bike. My knee started hurting so I stopped running.
Used at the beginning of a sentence to connect it with something that was said or happened previously.
So, there I was standing at the edge of the road with only my underwear on. So, just to finish what I was saying earlier. So, who do you think is going to win the election? Against. Against.
Competing with or opposing someone or something.
Germany are playing against Brazil in the final tonight.
Next to and touching something.
Why don't we put the bed against the wall? Bridge. Bridge.
A structure that is built over a river, road, railway, etc. to allow people and vehicles to cross from one side to the other.
We drove across or over the bridge. The Brooklyn Bridge spans the East River from Brooklyn to Manhattan. Surfing. 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 Surf.
The sport of riding on a wave on a special board.
Let's go surfing this afternoon.
Mechanic. Mechanic.
Mechanic. Mechanism. Mechanical.
Someone whose job is repairing the engines of vehicles and other machines.
A car or garage or motor mechanic. Earn. Earn. Earnings. Earn.
To get money for doing work.
She earns more than £50,000 a year. How much do you earn, if you don't mind me asking? Instruction. 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 Instructor. Instruct.
Information that explains how to do or use something.
You obviously didn't read the instructions properly. They need simple or clear instructions on what to do next. Lie. Lie. Lying, lay, lane.
To be in or move your body into a horizontal position.
To lie in bed. To lie on a beach. To lie on your side or back. Possible. Possible. Possibility. Impossibility. Impossible. Possible. Possibly.
as much or quickly or soon, etc. as something can happen or be done.
Please sit down as quickly as possible. I'll go as soon as possible. Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfort, discomfort, comfort, comfortable, uncomfortable, comforting, comfortably, uncomfortably.
Describes furniture, clothes, etc. that provide a pleasant feeling and that do not give you any pain.
A comfortable bed or sofa. Comfortable shoes or trousers. Use. Use. Use, user, misuse, usefulness, use, misuse, useful, useless.
When you use something, or when something is being used.
An increase in the use of mobile phones. Guests have free use of the swimming pool. Turn the machine off when it's not in use.
Pink. Pink.
Pink. Pink.
Being a pale red color.
Pretty pink flowers. Have you been in the sun? Your nose is a bit pink.
A pale red color.
She's very fond of pink.
Receive. Receive.
Receipt, reception, receptionist, receive, receptive.
To get something that someone has given or sent to you.
Occasionally, he still receives letters from fans. She received a number of awards during her lifetime. Fly. Fly. Flight, fly. Flew, flown.
When a bird, insect, or aircraft flies, it moves through the air.
The plane was flying at 5,000 feet. The poor bird couldn't fly because it had a broken wing. As soon as it saw us, the bird flew away or off. Online. Online. Online.
Describes products, services, or information that can be bought or used on the internet.
Online banking or shopping. An online newspaper or magazine or dictionary.
Bought, used, etc. using the internet.
I ordered them online. Why don't you go online and see what you can find?